Very inviting place to dine in dito sa Batangas City. Try natin. We're here at South Peak Garden and Events Place para kumplituhin ang aming dining experience. We already posted yung experience namin sa 232 Cafe. And now, we will take you to 232 Restaurant plus Taco Joe's. Since nasa iisang place lang, pwede kaming dito na rin mag-dine-in ng mga orders namin from the 3 restaurants. Ito ang mga in-order namin for this visit. Ito ang Tostado Supreme nila na worth 350 pesos. Masarap itong pizza nila and lasang-lasa ang mga ingredients tapos overloaded pa ang toppings. Umorder din kami ng 2 chicken Alfredo penne na worth 220 pesos each. This is a penne pasta with creamy sauce topped with chicken breast and parmesan cheese. Another one ay ang truffle linguine pasta nila, spaghettini with truffle oil and freshly grated parmesan cheese and served with 2 garlic breads. This is worth 240 pesos. A total of 1,030 pesos ang bill namin sa kanila excluding yung drinks namin. Add lang namin, look how fun if you will celebrate your birthday here. All good vibes and really good place to hang out with your family and friends. That's it, Finders. Bye-bye!